Welcome to another video with www.homepainter.co.za. Today we're looking at home maintenance in Pretoria. How do we service a house? What are we looking for? Well, these streak marks, as you can see underneath the patio balustrade, again streak marks coming down from the tiles. This long streak mark coming down from the rake verge tile. That's the tile at the edge of the roof there. You can see this crack in the column. It runs around the circumference. So I'll move gently around the house here. You can clearly see the problems that we're faced with. So we would obviously fix cracks like that. This crack, customer at this stage of the maintenance cycle has chosen just to patch. You can see there's another crack. So these cracks, we would then join both wall elements together. The balcony waterproofing here has got too hot a tile on it, and it's expanded and contracted and cracked the exterior house wall. So you can see that circumferential crack runs around the circumference of the balcony. The design fault here was not putting bigger outlets to have the waterproofing run all the way through the pipe. Hence they've married the waterproofing at the entrance to the pipe. So we're still picking up water that's ingressed into these walls. If you would like your house to last, be perfect, and fetch resale and rental value at any point in time, please reach out and we'll connect you with a quote. Make it a great day.